Here's a solution for the day 2 bell work. Perform the division. We have this trinomial we want to divide by the binomial x plus 3 using long division. So we're going to divide x plus 3 into the trinomial. When dividing this in, focus on leading terms. So focus on the x, not really the plus 3. Pay more attention to the x. And then focus on this leading term here instead of the entire trinomial. Divide x into 2x squared. It's like you're asking x times what makes 2x squared? That would be 2x. 2x times x is 2x squared. Then multiply the 2x to the 3, which makes positive 6x. Now with long division, we are going to subtract. 2x squared, subtract the 2x squared, makes nothing. 10x, subtract positive 6x, makes 4x. Bring down the next term. Now focus on leading terms again. Focus on the x and the 4x. It's okay right now to not worry about the 3 or the 12. Divide x into 4x. X times what makes 4x? That's positive 4. 4 times x is 4x. And 4 times the 3 makes positive 12. When you subtract, 12 subtract positive 12 is a remainder of 0, so you know that you're done dividing. When you divide x plus 3 into the trinomial, you get the binomial 2x plus 4. Now we want to do that same division, but this time using a process called synthetic division. For synthetic division, you don't have to write any variables down. So write down the coefficients of your numerator. 2, 10, and 12. That's for the 2x squared, this is from the 10x, and this is from the constant 12. The synthetic division bracket is an upside down bracket compared to the long division bracket. Now the number that you're going to divide into there comes from this right here, and it is whatever value of x makes this equal to 0. Negative 3 plus 3 makes this be 0. So we're going to divide in negative 3. Now the synthetic division process works like this. You bring down the first number 2 all the way down below, and then multiply 2 times negative 3, which is negative 6, and write it down under the 10. Now add these. That makes 4. Then multiply these, negative 12, and add these together, 0. The remainder is 0, just like last time. We're not done yet. We need to translate these numbers back into polynomial form, which has variables. This last number here would be the remainder. This number here is the constant term of our answer. And this number here is the coefficient of the x term. So when you get a 2, 4, and a 0, what you have really figured out is 2x plus 4. Synthetic division is really nice because you don't have to write down any letters of the alphabet or exponents, and you get to add things together in doing the columns. Whereas in long division, you're subtracting the columns, and if you're subtracting negative numbers, that's easy to mess up. Synthetic division only works, however, when you're dividing by a linear binomial.